khale leqedile ka dintho tse snacks dala ni busy ngabantu that frankly don't have whatever it is that you're doing coming. Yo, God have mercy. Modimo ke mo unkipile single until ke le what age? Jwanong bona gore le nhlangetsa hakaka. Le re ha le batho ho lla. Abantu bayanza bafuna ukungibulala. Babatla ngiketsa past tense. Babatla ngiketsa someone that when people finally watch my content bazothi hu batho ne basele. Bona ba utlwisitse ka go botlhoko. I'm not past. I am a testimony waiting to happen. I am answered prayer waiting to give encouragement. I am a true vessel ya modimo. Ke motho o sebediswang and ebile ne ka tsika kotsi ka modimo. Ke example le la nkutlwa. Ke example le ke something e modimo a sebedisang as like a monument to help you understand ukuthi kwenzakalani mauma and futhi kwenzakalani mangafuna ukuma wetsalang ha le sa batlo ho emela modimo lo le mala mama o itse ke mamela lo le mala and even ka kotsi ho le botlhoko le sa itse go hore maina lona a mo mahareng ke eng lo le mala because lo nkiwa lo nyadiswa basadi ba le loyang banna o shebe le ntutse sefubeng because ba o se ba lona ba le jisitsa ke lona le guy o kwatileng hore hure batho this guy I used to think he was my future husband ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke i-girlfriend yakhona at the time when he was dating her before proposing yalo ke ha ke lora nna ke le ko letamo mo hara mbu ke lutse mo pela I was standing like ko pela letamo pela a river and later on I would get another dream where I was rather instead of seeing myself go that letamo ka bona paraphernalia ya basadi like the lipstick the makeup putting only to learn or also wateng o mpatile ko letamong any woman that would have her man's interest or the guy that she wanted to marry her any woman that he was rather looking at the time apatiwe go. And here's the woman paraphernalia, and here's why I was there as well. Next thing, I wanted this guy another dream later on after that one, where the crocodile standing on their feet. But Dimo sees and Naki walk away to move on because ona ngese msadi wa Mungu. Hona ko letamong la teng. God showing me hore mosadi wanna make sure this guy normal you can walk around in front of him ha tlo go sheba o tlo tsena ignore though initially he had interest in him. Msadi wa teng o mo entso ga monyale and the woman that he was rather in love with at the time gore apatiwe ko letamong go apatwa mang nna because I was the one omega dumie emplizweni yakhe lenje le yahamba yo chata that woman and now today o beat her o kwatetse taba ya go nyadisitswe o swateng yo I'm not that thing bandla we bulwe ba lona